Hi everyone, this is Teacher Mel and welcome to the English class. So before we start to our lesson today, let's have first the vocabulary of today. Okay, the vocabulary of today is hungry. Hungry. Let's spell together. H U N G R Y. Hungry. One more time. H U N G R Y. Hungry. Hungry. Meaning feeling or displaying the need for food. Feeling or displaying the need for food. Example sentence. He is hungry. He is hungry. Okay, now what about your example sentence? Can you make an example sentence using the word hungry? You can comment that after this video. Alright, to start this lesson, we have to review the previous vocabulary words or phrases. Okay, so we have words and phrases at school and words and phrases at home. Okay, so first let's have at school. I want you to remember them. Okay, the first one, do our homework. Do our homework. Next, listen to our teachers. Listen to our teachers. Next, wear our school uniforms. Wear our school uniforms. Next, be at school before 8 o'clock a.m. Be at school before 8 o'clock a.m. Copy other students' work. Copy others' student work. Run and shout in class. Run and shout in class. Use phones in class. Use phones in class. Eat in class. Eat in class. Okay, those are words and phrases at school. Now, about at home. Let's review the words and phrases. Are you ready? Okay, the first one. Clean your room. Clean your room. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Do the washing up. Do the washing up. Take out the rubbish. Take out the rubbish. Eat snacks before dinner. Eat snacks before dinner. Watch scary movies. Watch scary movies. Play outside. Play outside. Stay up late. Stay up late. Okay, those are the vocabulary words and phrases at home. So you have to remember words and phrases at home and at school. Okay? Alright, so we also have to review our positive and negative sentences that we had last meeting. So we have 2 sentences in positive and we have also 2 sentences in negative. Okay, let's try to review them. So the first one for the positive, we can say, I have to. I have to sweep the floor. Okay, I have to sweep the floor. And another, we also have the positive, I'm allowed to. I'm allowed to watch scary movies. I'm allowed to watch scary movies. Okay, so those are the 2 sentences that we use in positive. And now we have for negative. Negative, remember we have to use not. Okay, or no. Okay, let's have the sentence structure. I don't have to. So we can make sentence using I don't have to. We can say, I don't have to take out the rubbish. I don't have to take out the rubbish. And another, I'm not allowed to. I'm not allowed to. So we can make sentence. We can say, I'm not allowed to stay up late. I'm not allowed to stay up late. So those are the positive and the negative sentences. Okay, now in this lesson, we have another set of question and answer sentences. Okay, we have questions and answer sentences. Okay, using yes or no. We answer using yes and no. Okay, so the first question that we have using the word do. Do you have to? Then plus the words or the phrases that we had. Okay, we can say, do you have to do your homework? You can say, or you can say, do you have to eat in class? Okay, and you can answer yes and no. We can say, yes, we have to eat in class. Or you can say, no, we don't have to eat in class. Okay, remember, yes and no. Okay, yes, we have to. Yes, he has to. Yes, she has to. Yes, they have to. Yes, you have to. Yes, we have to. And then for the no, we can say, no, I don't have to. No, she doesn't have to. No, he hasn't or he doesn't have to. No, they don't have to. No, we don't have to. Or another, no, you don't have to. So these are the correct response to the question using do you have to and plus the words or phrases that we have. And another question is, Are you allowed to? Are you allowed to stay up late? Are you allowed to stay up late? And the answer for that, we can say, yes, I am allowed to stay up late. Or you can say, no, I am not allowed to stay up late. Okay, and if you are referring to a girl or a boy, you can say no or yes. Yes, he is allowed to. Or you can say no, she isn't allowed to. Or yes, he is allowed to. Or you can say no, he is not allowed to. Okay, and if using they, you can say yes, they are allowed to. No, they are not allowed to. And then if you use we can say yes, we are allowed to. And then no, we are not allowed to. Okay, so these are really easy. Remember the pronoun I, he, she, it, you, we, they. So using these pronouns, we can answer yes and no. Okay? So we can answer using yes and no plus the pronoun. And also the vocabulary words and phrases that we have. Okay, it's really easy, right? Now it's time for our reading. I want you to open your book on page 85. And this time we are going to read at school and at home. At school and at home. Look at first the picture. Picture number 1. We have mom, kids. So they have conversation. Mom said, "Come on, kids. It's time to go to school." Come on, kids. It's time to go to school. And kids reply, "Do we have to? Do we have to?" And mommy said, "Yes, we have to go now." Yes, we have to go now. You have to be at school before 8 o'clock in the morning. We have to be at school before 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so that is the first picture. Next, the second picture. I want you to look at the second picture. There is a teacher and Dan. Teacher said, "Stop it, Dan. You know you are not allowed to copy other students' work." Again, "Stop it, Dan. You know you are not allowed to copy other students' work." And Dan replied, "Sorry, teacher. Sorry, teacher." Right? So next we have the third picture. I want you to look at the picture. We have Emma and Rose. Look at Emma and Rose. They were talking. Okay? Emma said, "Rose, what are you going to do after class?" "Rose, what are you going to do after class?" And Rose replied, "Shh, we have to listen to the teacher." Shh. We have to listen to the teacher. Okay, now we have the fourth picture. Okay, look at the fourth picture. We have Alex and Dad. Okay, so Alex said, "Dad, I'm hungry. Can I have snacks?" "Dad, I'm hungry. can I have snacks? And Dad replied, not now, Alex. You know you're not allowed to eat before dinner. Okay? Not now, Alex. You know you are not allowed to eat snacks before dinner. Okay, and the last picture we have is kids and mom. Kids and mom. Kids were shouting like, "Ah!" And mom said, you are not allowed to watch scary movies, kids. You have to go to bed. You are not allowed to watch scary movies, kids. You have to go to bed. Okay, so those are some scenarios that we have at school and at home. So I want you to practice this conversation with your sisters or your mom or your dad. So this time I want you to open your workbook, this book, and open on page 56 and 57. 56, 57. Okay, I want you to answer the activity. So we have the spelling. So letter A, we have complete the crossword. And letter B, write the missing letters and then match. And letter C, correct the spelling mistakes. So you are going to answer that. And after you answer, you can take a picture and send to me. So these are the vocabulary words and phrases that we discuss or that I have mentioned in this video. So if you listened well, you can answer this activity or exercises. Okay, so that is all for today, and see you on the next video. Take care everyone and have a nice day. Goodbye.